Good evening, boss.
Hello. Who are you calling boss now, though?
I read this. I read
You.
Probably.
You were the boss of us all today. We did a cleanup as a family.
Yes. So, we squeezed in very quickly overgrown cleanup so that they can sell the house. So you guys will see that video coming up, but we wanted to put a quick farm video up then, right? A farm vlog.
Yep.
So we'll give you guys an update on the chicks and how big they're getting. Paige and everybody have been doing a very good job taking care of them.
Now, aren't you supposed to have vegetables growing on a farm?
Yeah. Do we have vegetables growing on our farm
We
yet?
have about 6 foot tall grass growing on our farm.
I know. So, we are going to be buying starts this year, you know, just so that we can grow for ourselves. And of course, we still have time to plant carrots, beets, green beans, all that good stuff. So we're going to be doing that probably next weekend.
Hopefully, we got to
yeah.
mow the grass. We might need a brush hog.
Next weekend they get to go outside.
Yes, and next weekend we are going to try to move the chicks out a little bit too, you know, at least during the day when we're there. But yep, so now we're going to, where are we going, guys? Yeah, so we figured that since we made the children work today, well, we didn't make them. We asked them if they'd rather come with us or just stay home. And they decided to come with us, so they worked so hard and helped us. We're going to go to IHOP.
Yes.
We do appreciate you guys watching.
Be happy.
Be happy.
Be happy, right? Say it.
Yeah. Be happy.
Little chicks.
Little. I think they're getting bigger.
They are getting bigger. Okay, do you guys want to see the Roadrunner? Look, Roadrunner. Look, Roadrunner. BBQ. She's the Roadrunner. She's the Roadrunner. Oh! BBQ.
She's going to jump out of your hand.
Oh my gosh, she's crazy. Isn't she?
Turn that light off for a second.
Dun, dun, dun.
What's that one?
That's BBQ, aka Roadrunner. Who's that one, Paige?
Nugget.
This one's Nugget.
Look at her wings.
Which
Yeah.
one jumps up on you?
Daddy, look.
Oh yeah, look, show them that.
Look. Daddy, look.
I think that they do just come over to you.
Look at her feathers.
Yeah, I know. They're getting so big.
Look at Winter. It's like they do communicate with you.
Well, they have a pecking order.
Yeah, so we figured out the pecking order is what? Between this one, Winter, right, Paige?
No, it's Peeps.
Oh,
and
Peeps.
Hey
Between
Hey.
Peeps and then Hey Hey. See, did you just see Hey Hey?
Oh, did you see that one just jump up?
Oh, and I
try to
think
attack
maybe
them?
Nugget's starting to get a part of
Which
that
one's
too.
Nugget? This one?
Yeah, the bigger one.
Yeah, she's big, so. Nugget. Oh, yeah, she is. Look. She's trying to get everybody in the corner. Dino, you better go. We're having an issue with our littlest dog. Only our littlest one.
He wants to eat the chicken.
Bob, will you come up on me? Oh, you will. Look. Say hello. Yes, her name is Bob. And it is a she.
She's got a very powerful name.
Yes.
Dad, are you trying to eat chicken poop?
She was born in 2018 and her name is Bob. She's so pretty. Oh. They do. They want to get ready to perch. See?
That is chicken poop you're about to step in.
Really?
He eats medicated chicken food.
Really?
Yeah,
I don't think you should let the dog eat medicated chicken.
probably
No.
not.
I don't think so either.
Don't listen to that.
Look at her sitting on me. This is the first time that she's been like, where she comes. She's not getting off either. She's like, where did our heat lamp go? I think that's what they're saying.
You can turn it back on.
Okay, go ahead, Bob. All right, come on. We need to go lay down and go night. Yeah, you can see the what are those ones? The black and white ones again?
The bar.
Barred rocks. You can see them getting white in them.
Nugget's my favorite. We're not eating her. Even though she'd make a good chicken.
No, get off. Let's go.
Big, but like.
Would you say you're not eating her?
No, eventually.
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna eat any of those.
Why not?
Cause how am I gonna raise these things for like 5 years and then kill them and eat them?
Rain's rule is after you name them, you can't eat them.
You named them all already.
Yeah.
So what if we named ours, but then gave ours to her, and then they give theirs to us?
What?
So
Really?
like look, when they die,
We'll just let them
We'll
run around
swap.
on our land in the middle of the woods when we buy it.
no, look, we can swap chickens.
They stopped itching.
Oh, no, they're just being cute. They're itching again. Their wings sound like pigs.
Hi guys, this is Carl from Happy's Family, and we are gonna pick a winner of our seed box giveaway, right?
Mm-hmm. For the farm vlog.
For the farm vlog, and we'll give you an update on how big the chickens are. And then we ended up doing a job Sunday with the kids on a really overgrown yard that we're gonna put up after this video.
Yeah.
And I think that's about it, right?
Yeah.
And then we went out to dinner with the kids.
And we gonna pick a winner.
We are
who is
gonna
the winner
pick a
gonna be?
winner.
The winner now. We put all the names into a basket and mixed them around. And who is the winner gonna be, Paige?
The winner is
Carl from Happy's Family.
R&N Lawn Care.
Arn and Lawn Care. They have kids.
R&N Lawn Care for the win.
Yeah, Ralph.
For
Ralph
the
has kids.
win!
Congratulations!
All right. Congratulations.
Good job.
Congratulations!
Yes.
Congratulations!
Congratulations. Thanks for watching.
And be happy.
Be happy!